Bad boys, bad boys. These are the superheroes in this house. Why do you have four? Do you really need four? I don't need four. The red one will be rehome shortly. I needed it because my favorite purple shark vacuum cleaner wasn't working. And shh, don't tell anyone, but I thought of putting her in the trash. I know, that's not very handy mama like. It was just a thought. I didn't really do it. I need to choose my battles, and I'm so glad I fought this one. Shing shing! And I won. Look at my sweet baby robot shark. I absolutely love this little vacuum cleaner. She makes those clean, straight lines and gets along the baseboards when I would have to use an attachment for that with good old purple. With Robot Shark, sometimes I have to be a shark herder, or she'll end up with a sock in her mouth. You're the perfect size, Robot Shark. You don't need to weigh yourself. Let's get back to fixing good old purple. Do your children have popcorn fights like mine do? When the fight happened last night, we pulled out good old purple, knowing she was broken, and this is what she did. She made a bigger mess. Popcorn is flying everywhere. I was just hoping and praying I could fix her. Let's check her mouth. Pretty dirty, needs a cleaning, but this won't stop her from doing her job. Let's check this little doodad over here. With this model, you just need to pinch the tabs and the tube comes right off. It looks like it's all clear, but we'll take the other side off just to make sure. The other side of the tube pulls right off. There's a little dirt here, but not enough that the vacuum would not be working. I know there's more. There's got to be more. I gave her a quick shake to make sure all the trash was out, and then reassembled the tube by making sure the tabs were aligned, and I heard that clicking sound. You know the one. That sweet, sweet clickety-clackety sound. Click, 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 click. Then we stood her up and tried the next tube. Unclick. Shake, shake, shake. One more tube to go. This is one. This is the one. I can't see through the tube. There's something blocking it. I got a fur ball. Shake, shake, shake. Bang, bang, bang. And fur balls start coming out. Shake, shake, shake. Bang, bang, bang. Something's still stuck. More shaking, more banging. Wish I had something to push through this tube like a broom handle because my fingers sure weren't cutting it. But I was in the zone. Shake, 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 shake your tubes, shake your tubes. And there we have it. I can now see through the tube. I'll reassemble and show you the blockage. Brace yourself. It's coming. Let's get a closer view of this mess. Sayonara, Clog. That's it. Clog cleared. I saved old Purple from the dump, and she definitely sounds better and is vacuuming once again. Thank you for watching Handy Mama on how to unclog your shark vacuum. As of today, July 9th, 2024, Amazon has $300 off of their vacuums. Links are below. Happy unclogging to you.